Hi everyone, we are the USA SOC Recharge team, and this is our senior design Expo poster. The objective of this project was to build a drone recharge system that is capable of recharging a drone provided by the customer. This drone should be about the size of a hobby drone, and it should be able to fly to, orient, and land to this ground station that we'll be creating, and this ground station should be able to fit in the medium-sized travel pack.
For the drone layout, we have the diagram at the bottom left. The 5 items that we will be using is the Here 3 GPS module for navigation, the RF design telemetry module for wireless communication between the drone and the ground station, the Here Flow sensor for LiDAR and range detection for precise landing, the IR lock sensor, which is a infrared camera for precise landing, and the Cube Pilot and ADS board, which is the flight controller.
So this is a 3D model of the ground station. This is actually what the drone will land on to begin its recharging process. The dimensions of the ground station are 14 inches in length, 9.25 inches in width, and 3.25 inches in height.
This is the drone attachment interface, and during the prototype stage, it will be 3D printed, and there are 4 copper contacts around and one in the middle to land on top of the drone. The dimensions are 3 by 3 by 1.5.
On the right, we have the current electrical schematic for the ground station and the drone attachment. It will use up to 4 of the 24-volt batteries that have been supplied, and that 24 volts will be stepped down to 12.4 volts to be used by the charger and the Raspberry Pi as well.
For our Senior Design 2 implementation, our goals are to create many models and for various electrical systems found in power generation, to monitor those models created for faults and adjust the models for improvement, to implement the Raspberry Pi power supply into the ground station, and to finish development of the code for the Cube Pilot and ground station's Raspberry Pi, as those are currently in early development. And our expected results after Senior Design 2 is to have a functioning prototype of the ground station, drone attachment, and the drone. And to be able to recharge the drone battery from 50% to 100% 3 times.